Today I'll show you one trading robot that I have been testing for nearly a year on 7 different currency pairs, and it's profitable on all of them. That's unbelievable. And I placed the most profitable currency on a live account, and guess what? It's profitable there too. I will show you how this robot works and what the secret winning strategy behind it is to ensure it remains profitable for a long time. And stay with me until the end to see which 3 EAs I'll be testing on 3 new $1,000 live accounts with Black Bull, which is part of the $100,000 project I started. So let me show you that demo account that has been profitable for the last 338 days, and it's trading on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 currency pairs. If I go to the stats and I go to symbol, you will see that all of the currencies are on a profit. The most profitable is the dollar yen, and that's the one currency I am trading on a live account with Black Bull, but I'll show you that in a second. Also, what's interesting is that the most profitable currency pair, dollar yen, is most active. You can see that it had over 440 trades and the rest had around 100. And I'll bring on my recording screen this VPS where I have the Wall Street Recovery Pro. And probably from the name, you are guessing that it uses some kind of a recovery system, but it's not just that. During the recovery, it is not only recovering the losing trades, but is also taking advantage of the price movement. For example, right in here, it opened a short trade, price went up, and here is the recovery trade, and those were recovered successfully. But in the meantime, it was trading. You will see plenty of trades that were profitable. Same thing here, we have a short trade, the recovery came right at that point, and those 2 trades were recovered successfully, but in the meantime there were more trades that ended up on a profit. And most grid martingale systems, usually once they enter into the grid and they start recovering, they will not take advantage of opposite moves. So this expert advisor has this strategy inside where it is recovering trades, but in the meantime it is taking advantage of the market. And here is another example. We have a short trade. You will see plenty of trades between the first recovery trade, but what I really liked from the inputs is the fact that I can control how many recovery trades the expert advisor should open, which allows me to control the risk. And before I show you the inputs, let me show you the live account where I'm trading just the dollar yen currency pair, and you will see that there is no floating loss like with the demo account. If I show you the history, you will see a total profit of $255, but there was some swap charged because some of the trades were kept open for longer. I will show it to you right in here. So at that moment I actually paid a lot of swap, but that happened actually once for the entire time, and I started trading this expert advisor at the end of November last year in this live account. And if I show you the track record, you will see this drop. It's not actually a drop from the results of the expert advisor, but it is because of this swap that I was charged. So the expert advisor recovered successfully, but this swap was charged, and you can see that after that it recovered. Now if I go back to the settings of the expert advisors, you will see that I can control the maximum spread. So if the spread is high with the broker, simply it will not open new trades. And there is emergency stop distance, which is useful to protect the account. There are some more custom settings. At the recovery settings is from where you can control the max recovery trades, and I use 3, but if the 3 recovery trades are open and I see that I have enough margin in the account, I can just change it to 4 or to 5, and it will allow 1 more recovery trade, which should allow the EA to get on profit much faster. And you can see that you can use fixed slots or you can use auto money management. Now if auto money management is 0, then you are using the fixed slots, but I am using 0.05 and the maximum auto money management is 20. Now I'll bring on my recording screen one more time the demo account, and I will switch to equity, and you will see that because because I am trading many currency pairs, most of the time I have a floating loss. So right in here it was bigger, then it went very close to the balance line, but then it dipped again and now it is going up. But overall, both the balance and the equity are going on a profit. If I show you the orders, you will see that I have most trades opened with the dollar CAD, and actually here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 open trades in a recovery. Now if I decide to increase the number, I'll go to the dollar CAD, I'll go to the expert properties, and you will see that right in here with the max recovery trades I can just enter 5. This way I will allow the expert advisor one more recovery to exit this recovery pattern faster. I'll click on OK, but that's the demo account, remember that. So I am comfortable doing it. However, if it's a live account, it's up to you how many recovery trades you want to have. But I'm trading this expert advisor for nearly a year and it always recovers, at least by the time I'm recording this video. And now let me show you the 3 expert advisors I'll start trading on $1,000 accounts, which is part of my 100K project to invest $1,000 into 100 different accounts. The first one is from Valerie Trading and it's called the News Catcher, which has a great track record. That's the first time I'll be putting it on a live account, but I'm excited to see how this expert advisor will perform on Black Bull because they have very fast execution speeds and I believe I can achieve even better results from the vendor. The second one is the Ranger strategy from the powerhouse EA. This expert advisor is a combination between a few different strategies, but in the new $1,000 account I'll be trading the Ranger, which is trading Pound CAD and Aussie CAD, and based on the performance so far it is expected to make about 24 to 48% a year. The third expert advisor is the Infinity Trader, which is profitable on one of my small live accounts and it is also profitable with the vendor. And I really want to have these 3 expert advisors in the competition and on live accounts with Black Bull markets. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, so whenever you're watching you can follow the results, but all of the results are public at any time on our website. And if you want to learn more about the Infinity Trader EA, check out this video on my side. And until then, don't forget, I love you guys. Thanks so much for staying with me until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.